Hello everybody, I'm Micks, Mowers and Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. Also got here today, my little tiny Riley boy.
Hey everybody!
Here he is. So purpose of the video is a quick little what's been going on update video, because it's been too hot to work in the shed, and I've been outside in my garden working, and the videos that you guys and girls have been watching are older videos that I've had in backlog for around about 2 months. And I'm slowly working through them. I do 2 videos a week, so if I do like 6 videos, that then gives me 3 weeks off. I don't have to do any videos for 3 weeks, so I'm slowly getting mulching them ones down so that you've been up to date. So the reason today is this up to date video of what's been going on, what I've been working on, and what you can expect coming from the Micks Mowers shack and household. I have been given off my Amazon wish list. Check it out down below in the comment section. A Z bending tool. I can't remember who it was from. Really can't. It was that long ago I got it, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video, because I can't remember. I'm going to lose track. But someone sent me a Z bending tool, which is for doing your throttle ends for the little tiny Z bends. Some people do use pliers and what have you, or long nose pliers. I use these little tiny Z bending tools. Part number for Oregon for that is a 42-455, made in Taiwan throttle wire Z bender. They're absolutely brilliant. They're not very expensive. They're about 4 or 5 quid, but they are really good for doing your throttle ends if you've got to make your own throttle cable. So they're cool. Check them out. I know you're itching. I can see you are. Someone also, I think this might have been Scott. I'm not sure. Sent me off my Amazon wish list an overhead valve, Briggs & Stratton spark plug for the overhead valve engines, the long reach ones. Thank you very much for that. Just remember, the Amazon wish list is not about how much you spend. Every little helps. A little tiny spark plug like that can get me right out of a pickle, which is cool. Got here a little tiny letter. I know who it's from. It's from Lawnmower Detective. He sent himself and Riley Boy a couple of stickers.
What's it say?
It says, remember, I can't read it from over there. It says, it's donut time, which is from a Lawnmower Detective. That's one sticker there.
If judges know about this, they know YouTube channel.
He has got a YouTube channel. Go check out the Lawnmower Detective. He sent some more stickers over to me. If you want to put your sticker on my sticker wall, email me up and you can send me some stickers. Or if you would like one of my stickers to put onto your wall, then feel free to do the same. Email me up and I'll send you my my stickers, and you can then do that way. 2 seconds, buddy boy. I am getting there. I think they're all done. Yeah, I've got this one here, which I purchased myself. I can do it. Which is a gasket diaphragm, metering gasket diaphragm for the jumping jack whacker whacker, which will be coming up soon. I shall show you in the garden. For those of you who are not familiar, I shall show you. You'll be surprised. So I know that Ben's Workshop did do a video on it before a while back, but I picked one up as part of a job lot, which is cool. I've also got here, I don't know what happened here, bit of a sneaky one. Ordered it off of Amazon. It's nothing exciting, buddy, trust me.
It is.
Mark has bought off of me the Honda 553, and he wants a new blade to go with it. So I've ordered him a new blade, which he's coming down next week to buy a chipper off me. So I ordered him a new blade. They were about 30 quid, something like that, give or take. I can't remember now off the top of my head, about £30. But when I looked at my order, it said 1, but actually they've sent me 2. Exactly the same. They sent me 2. Me being Mr. Honest, I'll keep that. And so I have got a 553 in my shed, which will require a new blade as well. So that's cool. That's that. Quick slurp of my old drink. 2 seconds, because it's very, very hot here, Riley boy. Lime Coke with ice cubes. And then, on top of that, this one has actually come from my good friends over at Hayes Machinery Nation, but it wasn't actually for me. This was actually for my good friend Rob Small Engine Repair, and when it went off on the live, that Machinery Nation said we give this to you, Rob. 2 seconds, buddy. We give this to you, Rob. I was like, oh man, that's a nice thing. I would like that in my shed. And there was a few comments going back from Mend It Man. A few other people said, oh, look at Mick's face. Mick is devastated that he hasn't got it. And Rob messaged me up and said, Mick, do you want it? If you want it, you can have it. I said, no, mate, it's yours. You know, you take it. Hayes gave it to you, or Garden Machinery gave it to you. Let me get the channel right. Sorry, Machinery Nation gave it to you. It's yours. You have it, bud. You know, unhappy smiley emoji face. And with that, Rob said, no, I'm sending it to you. So I said, fair enough. Yeah, go on. He said, you can have it. So I said, if you're sure. And he sent me over, and it is spanking. It is absolutely spanking. It is a Cub Cadet independent dealer, not that I am, expert service, locally owned. So give me a nice, brilliant Cub Cadet sign to go on my wall of many things. So I'm right into my lawnmower signs. If anyone's got any real nice, doesn't have to be in good condition, original. I do like original though. I don't like copies. If anyone's got any decent lawnmower signs that they would like to donate or sell to me, feel free to hook me up and I'll sort it. I've got some nice Briggs and Stratton, I've got Alec here, Decumps I've got here, but I would like to get a few more as well of particular makes and models. That's what I want. So Rob has sent me over this fantastic Cub Cadet sign, which I dare say James might have something to say about that, but that's just the way it goes. So cheers for that, Robbo. I should put that up on the old wall. What do you want?
Dad, me and Peter and me and Clover the hook on me. It's now me and my Clover and now toy me.
So Middy's coming over, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, and then toy me.
Right, okay. So can we do the rest of the video?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So let's get down and dirty, have a little walk around the old garden, just show you what I've been doing, what's coming up, what you can expect, and all that sort of good stuff. And then we should go from there.
Cushy.
Okay, so the first thing that's actually happened is got myself a brand new workshop stool, bought it myself with my own pennies. I think it's about 45 quid. Comes with 5 wheels, which not the 4, which is good, and it seems to be doing its job. So get a little try ride, sit on my old stool without falling off, preferably. Don't fall off now.
I tried.
Yeah, it'll work. There you go. That all works lovely, cool. So there you go. That all works. So now I've got my own shop stool. That's good. So let's have a little walk around your garden and see what we've got coming up. Okay, so Alec Kensington down here, still waiting to hear back from Austin. Not heard back. I know he's a very, very busy man. Not sure what's going on with regards to Alec yet, but hope to do some exciting stuff with Alec very, very soon. So we should wait and see. This one here is the Kawasaki Atko. This is sold. This is going hopefully this week. Today being the 17th. My birthday is on the 22nd of June. So very, very soon. This is going. This is sold. I've been using it myself to cut my own lawn, and it's been doing an absolute spanking job. To be fair, I can't ask any more of it. It's fully serviced. It's good to go. The grass cuttings coming out of it, as you can see, absolutely bang on. The cylinder's all sharp. It's a fantastic machine. It just does exactly what it says on the tin. So really happy with that at the moment. 17S there. Hopefully that's sold. I'm hoping that's sold this week to an 84-year-old gentleman is what I'm hoping. So that's good. Hopefully sold also this Allen shredder. Now you would have seen this come up in a video, or not yet actually. You haven't seen it yet because this video I'm doing now will be released before that one comes out. So this Allen I picked up off of my mate Johnny. He gave it to me as, or sold to me as scrap value only. So it was all sold as being scrap. This was on its way to the dump. That's where it was going. And he pulled up at my house and said, "I've got 4 or 5 bits of kit here. Are you interested? Give us scrap value for it, and take it away," sort of thing. So it comes with a stand like that. That's it. So here we have a little Allen chipper, which is sold. There's a video coming out on this later. You'll see it. Needs a full service yet, but I have had it running in the video. Also a tyre or something put on here just to cover that bit up. As I say, needs a full service yet. Air filters ordered and what have you. Let's try and fire it up for you guys. Choke, bit of throttle, see if it'll go. So that's that. I have fixed the stand on it as well, so that's cool. As I say, that was on its way to a scrappy. On its way, literally in the van, was going. I've done a few videos on the tyres on it as well, but you'll see that stuff coming up. On top of that, I've got this one. This one I picked up cheap in my local area. I've got this up in Selsey. This has got the 5 horsepower decumps on top, not the 7. This is an MTD product, this one. And it's all up and running. I've had completely apart and done all the blades on it and everything, so it's all been sharpened in that respect. Let's give that a few pumps. This is overhead valve decumps on this one. Let's turn that on up to there. I think that's it. Let me move up that way before I bust my elbow on it. I know what'll happen there. Give that a pull. So that's nice, that all runs, happy with those. So I've got 2 chippers there for sale, one I think is sold, so that's cool. What else got going on? Is, I've got this one here, the Bearcat, got to look at that yet, that wants a bit of work, that one do, but hopefully that'll be a money earner. I've also got here a jumping jack, Waka Waka, 2-stroker, and I know Ben done one of those. Off of Ben's workshop, but I've got that to come up yet. That's got to be coming up soon. I've got a diaphragm for it because I dare say it's been sat for a while. Being a 2-stroker, it's going to want a bit of work, so that'll be coming up soon as well. What else we got? Around here, I've got ourselves a nice little Kawasaki. Picked this up just yesterday. Literally yesterday. I cut my lawn with it today. Now, I wasn't doing a video on this because I picked it up as spares or repair. Because the bloke said he was using it and it just cut out on him. It just stopped. So all I've done to this, literally just got it home, put petrol in it, had a quick little look around it. I didn't touch, just had a quick little look around, make sure it's doing what it should be doing. I think the fuel's actually turned off. It has got a bit of a carburetor leak on the bowl. Literally just weeping out of the bowl. So turn the fuel on, put that onto choke mic. So that's all good. That's all running, and I don't have to do anything with that, I don't think. So yeah, super happy with that. So yeah, super happy with that one. On top of that, I have picked up this little cookie, little tiny Champion or Sovereign, I think it's a Champion, little ride-on mower, 10 or 13 horsepower on top. So super happy with that. It came in as spares or repaired, not running. I bought it off of eBay, and I believe there's no spark, so I need to go through that as well. But yeah, a little tiny 30-inch cut mower, so super happy with that. Yeah, that's coming up shortly, no dramas. Just cut my grass. I've been doing video repairs, sorry. And we'll sort out here, get some bits and pieces sorted out. Got ourselves a nice new hot tub as well, which is cool. Ryder Boy's been in there, he's been flat out in there. So that's all good. So yeah, been doing lots. But obviously you guys haven't been seeing lots of stuff because I've been busy working away, doing bits and bobs, and just trying to keep my head above water. So yeah, super happy with that, and hopefully that gives you a little update of what's been going on. Okay, so there you have it, quick little update video for you, what's coming up, what's been going on, and all that sort of good stuff. As I say, my videos, I do 4 or 5 videos a day sometimes, and I then spend the next week editing them. And then after that, thank you, buddy, well, I am hot. And after that, what I generally do is then I have a couple of weeks off and just work around the shed as best I can. And then my videos are quite old by the time you guys get to see them. But I just want to give a quick little update video and say thank you to the guys and girls who sent me anything via my Amazon wish list or any other bits like Rob Small Engines did as well. So I just want to say thanks for that, that's just cool. If you like this episode of Micks, Mowers and Mower, hit your subscribe button and whack the old bell, set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time. Oh, did I miss something?
No. Yeah.
Oh, what did I miss?
Ding.
Oh, sorry.
The dragon.
Shall we do a bit again for you?
Yeah.
Let's do a bit just for him, shall we? So if you like the video of Micks, Mowers and Mower Man, hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. I look forward to the next episode of Micks, Mowers very, very soon. But until then, people, don't forget, much more importantly, take it easy.